birthday, my mom's very bossy.
Oh, your mom's bossy? Because I made you wait for your birthday to get a toy?
Yeah.
Good try.
Okay,
I'm glad you think you're funny.
I'm putting more in here, and here is, it has a cherry on the top, and it has a cupcake, so when you're done it looks really realistic. Looks like, it's like, I have a cupcake, yum, yum,
Oh,
yum.
cool.
Cause yeah. And when you're mixing it, you can like mix it around like that. So I'm taking the top off of the mixer. So you can use this mixer. And now we are going to turn around to the other side. Ta, 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 ta. Okay. So it's really hard. So if it's too hard to squeeze, you can use some for it.
What flavor are you putting on? Banana?
Okay. So guys, if you are not, you have to come to Greensboro. So if you don't live in Greensboro and you
what?
And you live somewhere else, use our only in Greensboro. And Mom, do they have shops and what's something Ashboro? Okay. South Carolina, do they have stores, Mom?
In South Carolina?
Yeah, do they have stores? Okay, so you might find they're very rare, and what did I just say a second ago?
You said you found this at an art store.
Wait, hold on.
And then you're talking about South Carolina, yeah.
South Carolina, these are very, very rare to find in South Carolina.
Okay.
They might not be rare, but I'm just keeping, I think they're very, because these are kind of rare, because, like, I never saw them at, like, Target or nothing.
Yeah?
I'm feeling like these are rare at.
Okay. Yeah, that's true. They didn't have this at Target. Even Nani looked at Target. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, I need my phone for a minute. I gotta make a phone call.
No, stop, Mom.
I do.
No, Mom.
2 people have called me while I've been doing this video.
Okay, so really what you need to do is sprinkle some
Smells good.
glitter in here. You sprinkle glitter, some magic. So if you want some magic comes with the set. It's really not magic, but you should show, if you have any siblings or friends that think glitter is really magic, show them this, and it's magic. They can sprinkle this on you like it's magic.
Cool.
Here you go, some magic. Gave some magic just to you.
Thanks. It's like strawberry scented magic.
Okay. Then you put it back in the mixer. Then mix it up. Let's see how it's doing in there. The mixer is going pretty well. And mix it a little bit more. The faster you do it, the faster it makes it. It's like up. Oh, look at it, guys. It is mixed up. I'm going to take the mixer have to mix it up. So you have to get it spread first in that part. Because that part, if you lose it, it will not be good because you need it. So check out this video on another channel and check it out on Marty Top 2. Magic, 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 magic! Put the magic on me. Ta-da, magic. Yay!
Alright.
I'm magical.
And we'll be back tonight with a Chia Pet video?
Yep.
Yeah?
Chia Pet. You might have seen my video of the Chia Pet.
I haven't put any of it up yet. Remember, we're going to do it all together?
I'm doing this video.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
You might have saw my Chia video. And we're going to do one tonight. So my elf hunter shelf left. So one night I forgot to let him go. I locked the box up and I forgot to let him go. And he was not. He was here the next morning. It was really oopsie daisy.
That's okay. He went
Magic, magic, magic.
Thanks for the magic.
Magic.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.